This video demonstrates how to import and run the FSP example projects. We will show 3 examples: ADC, USB PCDC, and LCDC on the RZ A3UL Evaluation Board Kit. Renesas provides the FSP Example Project bundle on Renesas website for devices supporting FSP. Please download the appropriate FSP example for your device. Extract the zip file. Next, import the downloaded FSP example projects into eSquare Studio. Launch eSquare Studio. Select Import. Existing projects into Workspace. Choose Option, select Archive File. Or Option, select Root Directory. Select Browse and choose the downloaded FSP example project. Select the 3 example projects: ADC, LCDC, and USB PCDC. Click Finish. The FSP example projects are imported into eSquare Studio. Connect the power supply, debugger, and terminal emulator. Configure the DIP switches as shown. Let's start with the ADC example project. Under the ADC project folder, double-click configuration.xml to open the FSP configuration editor. Then click Generate Project Content to generate the project files. Now, build the project to create the executable file. This project demonstrates single scan or repeat scan modes with the ADC HEL APIs. A potentiometer is connected to the ADC connector to adjust the voltage. Press the SW9 button to power on the board and open TerraTerm. Launch the debug session. Select the ADC project and click Debug to start debugging. Click the Resume button to begin debugging. This time, the program stops at the breakpoint in the main function. Then click Resume again to start the ADC program. The program status is shown in the status bar. On TerraTerm, you can see the ADC driver information. Press 1 to start the ADC scan. The resultant ADC status will update as you turn the potentiometer. Next, USB PCDC example project. Double-click configuration.xml, then click Generate Project Content. Build the project. This project demonstrates the basic functionalities of the USB PCDC driver. Connect the PMOD LED and the PMOD button as shown. Launch the debug session. Select the USB PCDC project and click Debug to start debugging. Click Resume twice to start the USB PCDC program. On TerraTerm, you can see the kit information and useful links. Press BTN0 on the PMOD button module to change the blinking frequency of the PMOD LED. Each press cycles the frequency through 1 Hz, 5 Hz, 10 Hz, 1 Hz. Finally, LCDC example project, available only for the RZA series. Double-click configuration.xml, then click Generate Project Content. Build the project. This example demonstrates the basic LCDC driver functions on RZA MPUs. The HDMI conversion board is connected to CN5 and linked to the HDMI display. Launch the debug session. Select the LCDC project and click Debug to start the debugging. Click Resume twice to start the LCDC program. Upon successful initialization of the LCDC module, the program will read the display resolution and frame buffer settings and draw color bands on the external LCD screen connected to the RZA MPU. Please watch the following videos for more details.